Hello, everybody. I'm John Whitfield. I'm a personal injury lawyer from Nashville, Tennessee, and I've been practicing law for about 34 years. During that long span of time, I think I've probably handled thousands of car accident cases and know, I believe, what's the right thing to do in the event that you're in a car wreck. So let me give you some tips that might help you down the road when it comes time to make a claim with the insurance company. First thing you need to do after the wreck is make sure you're okay. Make sure you're fine. Make sure your children are okay. Check yourself out, and make sure that you can at least get out of the car safely. Once you get out of the car, take your cell phone out. Every cell phone nowadays has a great camera on it that you can use to take pictures of the scene. You got to remember that over time, skid marks fade and memories fade, and evidence at the scene is important for you to make your claim with the insurance company. And one of the best things you can do is get out, take a picture of both cars, take a picture of the skid marks if you see them, take a picture of the scene, even take a video, because it's really important to document that evidence come time to make a claim with the insurance company. Next thing you need to do is call the police. Sometimes the other side doesn't want to do that, but don't listen to them. Call the police. The police can come. The police can do an investigation of the accident and will generate a police report. The police report will be very important for you when you make your claim with the insurance company, because it is documentation by an objective third party as to what happened. So it's very important to have that police report. And once it's made, make sure you get a copy of it. It won't cost you much to get it. If anything, it's public record and it's information that you can obtain. If you have to go to the doctor, go. It's more important to go than not go. Sometimes that you may be hurt. Sometimes you may have issues going on in your body that you don't know about at the time of the accident, but it's very important for you to document that as well. And obviously to make yourself feel better and be treated by a medical professional that can help you. So go to the ER. And if you have to keep going back, make sure you comply with your doctor's wishes. Eventually, you'll need to get copies of your medical bills and medical records. Make sure you do that before you make any claim with the insurance company. In some states, obtaining medical records is free for the first set. Other states, you have to pay a nominal fee. Whatever it is, make sure you get those two things, your medical bills and your medical records. Once you have all this information, then at that time, it may be time to make a claim with the insurance company. And basically, there are two ways you go there. The first thing you need to do is contact the insurance company and the person that you believe caused the accident. Tell them that you're making a claim on that person's policy and ask them what procedures they have in place to make the claim. Do not give a written statement at that time. Do not give an oral statement at that time. Just let them know you're making the claim. In addition, you may have some insurance coverage of your own that may take care of certain things that you need. These coverages are called underinsured and or uninsured coverage. Make sure you contact your own company as well. So you're contacting the insurance company that caused it, and you're also contacting your own insurance company to make sure that there's coverage out there available to take care of your injuries. Now, what are you talking about in terms of money damages? Well, there are about three things that are in the law in most states that you're entitled to. The first thing you're entitled to are medical bills. Medical bills as a result of the accident, medical bills that you may incur in the future that were a result of the accident you were involved with. The second thing you might be entitled to would be lost wages. Lost wages from the time you're out of work because of the accident. In some instances, it may be permanent. In some instances, it may be temporary, but you're entitled to lost wages. The third thing you're entitled to is something called pain and suffering. Whenever you're in a car accident, you have a certain amount of pain and a certain amount of suffering that's somewhat subjective, but you're also entitled to get that under the law. So those are three things that you're entitled to at a minimum when it comes time to make a claim. You might be able to resolve this yourself. You might be able to resolve this with the insurance company and get them the information that they need, and they pay you an amount that's reasonable to take care of your damages. Hopefully that's the case. If you cannot, then you might need the assistance of a personal injury trial lawyer like me. And if that's the case, do not hesitate to call us. We're in Nashville. Our telephone number is 615-921-6500. we have a world of experience here and we can help you with your case. Thanks a lot.